Japan's area agent, Jaxa, is on to email a 10-kilogram landing module to the shallow of an asteroidal. The Hayabusa 2 space vehicle will produce the Deutsche-French Talisman landing module on the asteroidal 162173 Ryugu environment. Talisman will later analyze the asteroidal's shallow properties, consisting its inorganic structure and magnet box. Hayabusa 2 achieved the asteroidal Ryugu in June the year following a 3.5-year travel. On 21 September, Jaxa, famous at first, as its mothership, developed 2 robotic explorers to the shallow of Ryugu. Currently, he's the rotate of the portable asteroidal shallow intelligence officer, Talisman, that has been constructed by the Deutsche Space Center, DLR, and the France Area Agent, CNEs. Hayabusa 2 consumable Tuesday reduction its height of its household stance of 20 km over the asteroidal. At on 2 o'clock BST, and at an height of on 5.6 m of Ryugu's shallow, Talisman will be commanded to individual of its Japan mothership. Talisman will later concern downward at its before selected disembarkation website. Mission statement: planned wait to rebound upcoming to a halt. Of year, we include a really low gravity box down there, told Dr. Ralph Jahman, the main inspector for Talisman. The tool, the seriousness is so low how Talisman more than or less than flies downward, as to a chunk of document declining on a spreadsheet of a altitude of 30 sm. The 21 lbs scientific pack will later start its inquiry of the asteroidal shallow. Talisman will research Ryugu's inorganic dewap, heat and magnet characteristics. The landing module's load, containing a 4-person scientific tool, an IR Microsoft named Micromega, a chamber named MASCAM, a radiation monitor for measurement the force of magnetic emission, MARA, and a Gauss meter to action magnet forces, MASMAG. This purpose is to vary know the asteroidal, told Believer Krause, the operative officer for Talisman. Insight how all they're shaped, our land and the some planets. The is which we are hard to explore. Ralph Jahman added, this issue of wherever the water supply on land originates hasn't very been responded still. We aware how asteroids include water supply present. Several scientists believe how both of asteroids and comets could include brought water supply to land in the previous days of the sunny framework, while they collided in our Earth. Hayabusa 2 was startup of the Tanegashima Start Center in far southern Japan on December 3, 2014. It has been transport a quantity of tool payloads for produce onto the shallow of its goal, Ryugu. On 21 September, it liberated 2 robotic rovers on Ryugu, that rapidly refundable images and the at first live video, always shipped of the shallow of an asteroidal. In deceased October, the space vehicle will get down to the shallow to gather a specimen of fate and ground. Though future on in the mission statement, Jaxa plans to explode and blasting accusation how will toddy a crater in Ryugu. Hayabusa 2 would later get down in the crater to gather crisp rock how include not been changed by eons of exposition to the environmental of area. These samples of production will later be shipped to land for lab teaching.